They don't want none.
What's going on, man? Your boy Turbo, T-Rod Mo. I am back with another video. Today, it will be a review. And this is a review I've been wanting to do for a long time. You watching, go subscribe. Go hit that bell. When you hit that bell, hit all. Do not just hit the bell. Otherwise, you won't be notified every time I post. Go share. Go comment. Go watch some old videos. Comment on them, and I talk back to as many people as I possibly can. I do have a job, though, so don't get upset if it ain't immediately. But anywho, go get somebody and tell them get somebody and get somebody else, man, and bring them to the channel, bro. We on the road to 1,000. No games, 1,000. Once I hit 1,000, man, I'm telling you right now, and I'm still low because I just started. Once I hit 1,000, bro, I'm doing a giveaway, and it's going to be a major giveaway. So, come with it, man. Let's get to it. So, today, man, I don't want y'all to know what it is yet, man, but yes, sir. Excuse me with your silence, brother. I'm just trying to do a little review. I guess it's a big review. I ain't said what it was yet.
You ain't said what it was?
No, you already in yours. I ain't said nothing yet.
I'm in mine already, bro.
Hey, who are you, brother?
I'm living with Mozzie, bro. You know who I am, bro. I'm having no credit.
Go follow my brother, man. But anywho, this is where we at today, man. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Laramie. Okay, this is not just an old basic one, as y'all can see. I don't even know really where to start, man. I shouldn't really have to say too much or nothing. Y'all just look at it for a second, man. This thing is beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Yes, Mozzie's over there working right now doing his review also. I just want y'all to see everything before we really dig into this thing. Excuse the wind, man. Excuse the wind. All right, so let's get into the price, man. Oh, I lied to y'all, brother. This is a 2020, my fault. But the base price, man, for one of these, not this one though, but a regular one, it's $46,000, which ain't really too bad for 2020. This one though is $61,000, and you gonna find out why. Don't ask about gas and all that. If you're buying a pickup truck in 2020, you should know you're not finna get no gas mileage. Period. What is the color actually called on this thing? Ivory white tri-coat pearl color exterior paint. Man, the thing is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the flakes. They in there though. So let's start in the back. This thing is 4x4. It's not just a regular 4x4. We'll get into that in a minute. This thing comes with 275 55 20s, which actually cute. I need them tire letters flipped though, or some new ones put on, but whatever. So my favorite part of the whole truck, bro, is the ram box. Nobody else don't got this. Brother, come on, man. It's a whole compartment for whatever you want. Whatever you want to do. Like, it's deep. It's rather deep. Like, here's the top. I'm all the way down there. And Dodge is a real vehicle, so you got to give them some of that to close it. It has the rear view camera right there with the Fat Boy rim. You see the Laramie. Yes, sir. They come with the sliding thing up there too, but it's not on here right this second. I think they had just got this thing in. The cover thing back there, so if you get a little too much load back here, you can extend it all the way to back here. You got to come back here. I can't tell you people. All right, well, shit. Well, you in the ram box. Hey, so I was on the other side. There's a ram box on this side also. Same exact thing, man. Ridiculous, though. All right, let's get to the front. So when I tell y'all this thing has sensors everywhere, these are the fog lights. Them is sensors. There's some in the back, some more in the very front. Like, the thing is nice. I like how they really brought that back. Don't just leave it bare naked up there. The lights, man. Dodge pays attention to detail. This man, bro. So all of this here is LED. There's LEDs in there. The high beams. I don't know. I think them is LED too. We'll find out in a little while. I mean, it's Ram. They make sure you know what it is, no matter where you look. So the inside, man. They're suede on this door. They're suede up here on this part of the seat. This is nice leather, man. It's breathable too. These seats are heated and cooled. Ram on the floor, Ram on the door seal. But let's get in. Yes, I jumped to get in the truck. I'm 6 foot tall, but so what? So, passenger side. Bro, it's a lot of room. It's a lot of room. Hit this little button. Voila. This is I don't know what you want to call this, but I'm most likely to be putting my pistol somewhere.
Yeah, that's James Bond right there, bro.
With a glove box underneath.
Yes, sir. And you can see it does have a big 12-inch screen. The screen I've been talking about since they came out.
Ooh, Tesla number 2.
I really want to put one of these, bro, in my Hellcat.
And you can. You got a conversion kit. You better look it up.
I'm putting one of these in my
You
Hellcat.
better look it up, brother.
This is going in Hellcat.
Bro, this thing got storage on storage on storage.
Storage everywhere, bro. Like, if you want to hide something, don't buy no safe no more. If you got a freaking, you don't need to use no bank either. Just get your Ram 1500 and just hide all your money, jewelry, guns, watches.
Bro, there's a slit over here, I guess, for mail or something.
Side chicks, whatever you want to hide.
I'm gonna
Hide it in here.
close it up so can't nobody see
Oh,
nothing.
bro, that's as far as I'm gonna go because you gotta put your phone right there, bro.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yes, the phone.
That's a little charger mat, right?
You gonna put your mail right here. Yeah, it's not the nice one. They go all the way back here. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? And let's just say, just hypothetically.
What you
know
gonna say,
saying?
brother?
You're on your way to school. You know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? You gotta do a little math homework. You gotta do your homework at home.
Yes, sir.
And you need a ruler or any sort or anything.
Man, get in your truck and find it.
Get in your truck and they got all the measurements you need, from your ruler to your everything, your degrees, everything, inches and centimeters. You know,
let me get in close, man, just so y'all can see that we
yes,
not lying. Fraction of decimal chart.
Exactly.
What is that one there? The standard metric.
That's a conversion, whatever that is, bro.
Trigonometry. Come on, man.
They got a math equation in your truck.
Look. They cheating.
They got algebra.
They
That's
teaching
a
you how to
damn
cheat.
algebra thing.
Dodge, come on now.
In your truck. No other company is doing it. Not Ford, not Chevy, not Porsche, not Lamborghini, not Bugatti, not none of them is doing what they just did. If you need that in your life, get you a Ram 1500.
Well, that ain't even it though. They put it. Listen, they put it.
I'll stop you right now.
They put it in here.
I'm done.
They put it in here again.
There ain't no point. After I just seen there ain't no point me doing that and continue to call it no more. They just shut it down, bro.
But let me show y'all. I'm in the back seat
Okay,
now.
I'm gonna continue because
Brother,
you just
it's room everywhere. I'm gonna get to the other charts. They don't know about the other charts
They don't know
yet.
about that chart.
No,
Let's go
let's
get
get
it
to
back,
it.
man.
I just want to see y'all to see his room.
Look at this. You got a
Like,
whole-
bro,
Look, you got-
forget that.
You ain't need to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but lift it up, brother.
You gotta do yours.
Okay. Oh, it's right here at the front. Okay.
Man, look at this, bro. Look at
Let-
this room, bro.
Let's say you having a funeral.
Mm.
Small dogs, small
Oh,
puppy,
okay.
anything like that.
Yeah.
You ain't to hide no hearse. You don't put the little old, you know what I'm saying, box, right?
Sit your ass there. That's what you gotta practice for when you get one. Cause I'm getting one.
This is nice.
I'm getting one.
And then you got your BAM.
Yeah. So I said about the other chart. Like, this is the best thing to me. This is the cooler.
It's a cool thing.
Bro, it's measurements right here too.
They got the daggum ruler.
You want to measure how big your goddamn 12-pack is or whatever, your wine bottle, whatever you putting back here.
That's a good save.
Yeah.
That's a good save.
Yeah.
I know what you're going to be measuring first.
Yeah, I'm not going to be measuring none of that down here.
Oh, okay, brother.
I don't need to measure no way. Anywho,
Yes, sir.
so, Dodge, this is the only thing I don't
This
get.
thing is that you put your ice chest on one side, gun on the other.
Whatever you need.
Yes, sir.
Or just put both your guns back here, your rifles in the back.
Yes, sir.
Just push it. No, just push the seat in.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Hey, I like this even though I didn't understand it first. So you hit this button and it flip, so you can have visibility in the back.
I like that, bro. That's real smart. Dodges, boy,
I didn't understand it at first.
Let me get back here, bro. Look how much. Look at this. I feel like I'm in a straight Maybach.
Bro, why we didn't never notice this when we just was in here, boss?
Brother, I didn't notice this, bro. And then you got your own compartment.
I like this.
Look, now y'all seen I was sitting very, very comfortable up there. Like extremely comfortable. And look at this. Look how much room I got.
Let me get over here to this driver's side, man.
Look at this, bro.
This truck is ridiculous.
You know what I'm saying? Like I should be chauffeur. Even though it's dirty. Look at that. Y'all know how I feel about sunroof. This thing.
Yeah, I didn't show none of that.
The front to back moonroof sunroof. Whatever you want to call it.
We're gonna call it panoramic.
We
That's what we gonna call it. Don't worry. That's why I'm here with you. That's why we together here.
We in a panorama. A Pandora.
Oh man, this is up front. You where the key? This is up here.
Huh? The key up
I don't want to start it though.
You're not gonna start?
'Cause we ain't got no gas. We out here playing like that.
Yeah, that's right.
I just want to show some stuff out.
Look at this. I like this little carbon fiber little
So the bad boy show you everything up here, man.
Yeah, a little copyright going on, brother.
I got some.
Got a lot of copyright going on, brother.
Brother, you different.
Brother, I'm driving, bro.
I ain't either.
Yes, sir.
That's your fault.
This thing.
Man, the screen. I got the back up so you can see the screen, man.
You already know how we do, man.
So this is the screen. I can't even get the whole screen, man.
How's it right now?
Screen do everything, man. It'll show. Man, let's start it.
Right now. And let me know how much.
'Cause it ain't gonna show me everything.
How much you think this truck is? So if you was right or if you was close, the truck was
So-
actually 60.
If you want to hit the backup camera, you can. Like, it shows you even when you're driving, bro, which is weird to me, but it's dope. Heated steering wheel, vented seats, heated seats. I knew it. Turn mine on when we leave. You want to dim your mirror, you can just hit this button, and it'll do it right on cue. The tow package. The tow package. It really tows.
You got a lot.
So,
Cup truck, bro.
you can turn up.
The hood.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Because I don't know what you talking about.
I'll do it, bro.
Brother, how? I don't even know how.
I'll do it.
Oh, it's right in the middle.
I'll do it, bro.
I got you. So the hood thing is right here in the middle. You know, usually it's over here on the side. No, that's where you move your pedals. If you want them closer or further away, just look. Let me show y'all. People be asking a lot of questions. See them moving? Just push up a button, man. Emergency brake right here. Push it on or pull it on, push it in, it goes off. This is for your cargo light. I like that. Okay. These are your lights and these are your lights and your fog lights. Get back out of there. Your auto dimmers and all that. This thing shows you everything connected to your phone, your speedometer, your everything. It tell you your range as far as gas mileage, which we used to not having gas anyway, so it's nothing new here.
What's the speedometer looking like, bro? What top of that one?
Man, I don't know even how we can find it. Oh, 120.
120?
Just 120. I mean, it's a truck. You don't need to be doing all that.
You don't buy this, though.
Yeah, that's why I said yeah.
And it's 4-wheel drive.
4-wheel drive, 4-wheel auto, high, low, 2-wheel drive, what you should be driving in on the normal. This is your incline helper. It help you go up and down the hills or down the hill. So if you riding around with a load, it'll help you. You can lock your axle, which is a dope feature on any truck. This is your trailer drive truck. Yep, it's for your trailer, for your brake, your trailer brakes. I can't think of what it's called right now. Anywho,
Yes, sir.
back up here. What is we supposed? Oh,
Most, bro. What's most?
that's for your face.
Right.
And stuff.
I just missed it. Oh, shit. God dang.
Click back out of it. Do something.
Oh, the apps. Look for it, bro. Yes, sir. That's what you're looking for.
Yeah, kinda. So we went through them. We went through all that projection. Oh, we don't need no mirroring right now.
Nope, don't marry that, bro.
Mozzie's phone is on there. We don't need
Yes,
to see
sir.
none of that.
What kind of map?
Oh, this thing is ridiculous.
That's great. Me in Dallas, I can see, bro. Sure,
I'm gonna tell you, rain and all that. You see that?
Yeah, sir.
I'm finna buy one of them. I'm finna get this.
Oh, yeah. Bro, this is nice, bro.
Bro, it shows you the radar, the cold fronts, the storms, the higher contrast, and the glossary. We're not gonna look for none of that. You looked up the navigation? Oh, the navigation though.
Speed limit 30, but y'all know we ain't going no 30.
Yes, we are. He right. We're gonna do 29. Not coming to get us.
But this thing is nice, man. For a truck, this is really dope. This truck is insane. From the freaking sunroof to the compartments to the look of the truck, everything.
Why you ain't getting over here? So this is up here, brother. If you're in trouble, hit SOS. They coming.
Save our shit.
If you want to talk to the folks, they talking back. We got the lights off. Let's turn them on. See what they look. LED lights everywhere. Okay.
Oh, you can.
Oh, nigga, I can turn. Open
I
them.
just seen it. That's goddamn fly.
Why don't pull it back up? We don't need to.
Okay, Dodge, pull it back
That's
up.
dumb.
Make the button and pull it back. But
That's
before
dumb.
don't even, nobody does it.
This opens your tip. Look, we didn't. I'm gonna
Go
close
back
it.
there, brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna close. Here, give me that.
Get the phone. Get the what the get it.
We're gonna close this back up. It's hard to do this with two cameras. So Mozzie's in the truck. As y'all see, I'm not touching anything. Hit the button, brother.
So what?
Say, man. Hit the button. Oh, and it don't slam nothing. It just gradually let it down. Man, you in here opening up stuff. You ain't supposed to be opening all that.
Yeah, sir. But this thing is completely dope, man. Completely dope.
So you just hit this one time, and then this thing just start closing off the world.
Yeah, sir.
And it get dark.
Oh, it gets real dark.
It get dark in here. All right, open back up.
And of course, you got the nice little garage door open right there. Speakers all through the truck. So, and they sound good. Don't get me wrong.
Hit
now.
this button.
These speakers sound pretty good, bro.
And open up that back there.
And then just the leather seats, man, is what's really just doing it for me right now.
Hey, I don't know if you told your people or not. They heating and cool seats on both sides.
Yes, sir. Eat it and cool.
And you hear this, and it really
Make your ass feel like springtime fresh. Yes, sir. This thing is freaking.
Then you outside.
This thing is insanely nice, and it has a lot of room.
This is a bug deflector.
Yes, sir. I never knew what that was for.
Yeah, to block the bug from coming back in.
So you got
We
to-
left it open, right? We was good on that. But yeah, this thing sounds amazing. We can't play it. Well, Mozzie can't play it for y'all because copyright.
I got an artist bro that let me play the music.
Oh, well, there you go. We finna show y'all. How's that door there, man? Can't be doing that for all these other people.
Different people.
I'm not gonna say. Hey, if y'all want it, bro, they got 12 miles. It's not a game. It's 2020.
Yeah, sir.
Oh, average miles.
I gotta make sure
16.
I go jam my dog. I make sure I go jam my dog. Be good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It sound real good.
It sounds excellent. This is a beautiful truck. This has really changed my position.
Hey, it's a house plug down here.
I have good.
12 volt. I just want y'all to know.
Yes, sir.
There's one up there.
It's one up here too.
It's just for you.
Oh, okay.
But still, it's a plug up there.
This is the James Bond right here. Well, I need to. On my video, I'm gonna cue the James Bond music when I do this. Okay, that's nice. Look at that. You don't even know that you only that's right there, but
I just
whatever
wish
you
it
need.
was, I just wish it was a little deeper, because then handguns would go there.
Exactly.
Hey, is that? It ain't. That little compartment thing under
Right
the
there.
seat.
Yeah, nope, you don't got that here, bro.
It's all right. They got enough other
But
stuff.
this thing is nice. This thing is real nice. This has
Oh,
really
okay.
changed my whole position on getting a diesel truck.
Really?
And this, and like I said, I don't feel like any other pickup truck that's not diesel is messing around, especially after all this.
You can get a 1500 and get a bully dog tune on it, and you'll be pulling like you got diesel. You're just gonna be using a lot more gas. Close it up. That's what the roof looked like from the outside.
You said what?
And then I don't know how.
What you say?
Bro, people finna hate you. Hey, I didn't even get the motor. Why you close the hood for?
Poppy, bro. That's in the middle.
It's in the middle. All the buttons, bro, you gotta get all these buttons. And move the pedals and all that.
It was the what?
Move the pedals.
What pedal? Let me see what you're talking
Yeah.
about. What you got this truck?
This is a big hood. Watch. Watch when you talk about it. Look, it's lightweight, to be honest. This is the 1500, man. It's actually not that bad. It look bigger than the Chevy motor. No offense to Chevy. No offense to Chevy. It's nice, it's quiet, it's cute. It's not a 4-cylinder Ford. It's no EcoBoost. It's a real truck. Sometimes you gotta keep. Yeah, man, but this thing, I'm telling you, this has changed my perception on trucks, man. You can pause the video if you want to, man, but here's all the information on this one in particular. Like I say, it's for sale. This thing is for sale at Waxahachie Dodge. Go look them up. It's Laramie, man, with the duals back here. Y'all see, them are 5 inches. That is what Mozzie and Hemi Life and all them Charger boys be going to put on their car. It's already here. But I've been talking to y'all long enough, man. I'm really think I'm finna go talk to these people about some paperwork on said truck. I need one, and I want it, and I like it. But I'm gonna go ahead and end my video, man. Clearly my brother's still doing his thing. He is flabbergasted by this truck, man. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed it. There's more reviews coming, man. I got personal people's cars reviews coming, because there's a lot of cars out here in Dallas that everybody see on Instagram or see on YouTube running and stuff like that, but we gonna get personal with these people, man. Again, man, I greatly appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Appreciate, we didn't attracted the police. You know, I don't have good reviews with the police, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. Again, greatly appreciate y'all, man. Videos coming soon. We are going, by the time this come up, y'all probably already see. We'll already be in Houston, man, but the turn up is real and it's not gonna stop. So just keep rocking, man.